Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both accounts and your network. Sign into the Ring app and confirm your doorbell is online. Make sure the Google Home app is installed and you're logged in. Once done, verify your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the doorbell and that the doorbell has reliable power. Make sure location and camera permissions are allowed in both apps because the linking process needs those permissions. So grant them now, then proceed to the Google Home app to add a device. Next, you add Ring to Google Home by tapping the plus button and choosing Setup Device, then Works with Google. Search for Ring in the Services list, select it, and sign into your Ring account to authorize Google access. You'll be prompted to choose which doorbells and cameras to expose to Google Home. Pick the devices you want available. Make sure to grant camera streaming and snapshot permissions when asked, because Google needs those to show live view on displays and to use doorbell events in routines. Finally, assign the doorbell to a room in Google Home and rename it to a clear, short phrase for voice control. Test the integration by saying, "Hey Google, show front door," or by tapping live view on a Nest display. Make sure video and two-way audio work as expected. If a routine should trigger on motion, add the doorbell event into that routine. Troubleshooting tip: if streaming fails, restart both apps, confirm permissions, and reboot your router or the doorbell. Often a simple restart fixes the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.